Any idea what these are? They are little birds. Let's take a look at these little birds. These are from Daiso. They are made in Japan. You get two little birds. Comes in this simple packaging. Costs around 199 rupees or $2 or so. You get two of them. So let's see what we get. It comes with a stand. It even has a sticker on it, so you can stick it in place. They are slightly different looking. One is slightly bent over. These are clips that you can use to seal bags of your snacks. They are quite stiff, so they should work really well. That looks really cute and seals really well too. These are cute looking little bird clips. Quite cute and useful. Quite nice. Check it out.